Wow. Here we go. Wow. Woo! Good job, buddy. Wow. Look
Yeah,
at that.
he did a lot of work.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to, I don't know what the town in New York is called, but we're just outside of Lake Placid, New York, at Whiteface Mountain. We are doing just the short Whiteface Mountain climb here, so you can tell by the roads down here. We've driven the road all the way up here, and it lets you park right along here and then walk from the castle here. So we're gonna do the short walk up. I think they said it's like a 15-minute walk up, so not all that long, and should be easy for most people to do, because over there, there's a guard center over there. I can't quite see, I think it's right about there on the camera. There's a guard center there, and there is an actual elevator through the hall, and then they elevate you up, so you can actually take the elevator. No extra charge, it comes with your admission, and you can also, if you want, just take it down too also. So wow, just taking in the view from here. I mean, look at this. Not gonna get many better views than this, huh? These crows are kind of loud. Hello, crows. Hi. Hi. Okay. Oh. Okay. So we're going to continue up here to the castle, to the summit. 1/5 of a mile, it says. So 2/10 of a mile.
Are we supposed to go in there?
Maybe?
Oh no, that's the shop and stuff.
Yeah. So there's a shop here with food. I think there's like a restaurant or something.
Yeah, they said it's like a cafe, and I think it closes soon though.
Yeah.
We don't really care. We
He's
just
losing his hat there. But that closed at 4, so we're good. Here we are at the base of this hike. We are at 4610 feet. So future Kyle will put right here what it is in meters or kilometers. Oh, look at that. I wonder if that's Lake Placid there, because they did say there's going to be a Lake Placid view. That looks cool. Sturdy, slip-resistant footwear required. Participants should be in good physical condition.
Well, we'll see.
I guess that's a matter of interpretation there. So let's go ahead. Looks like we got a lot of steps ahead of us here. It's getting quite windy. It's actually warm here, maybe low 80s today, but it is slightly cooler up here, and then the wind is making it a little bit cooler. So you can see the end destination is right up there. So looks like we got a little bit of height here, a lot of a straightaway, and a little bit of height at the end. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, so just a quick couple of things that we saw. There's a sign back there that said that the average wind speed here during the month of January, I guess, which is when it's the worst, is about 40 miles an hour. Again, future Kyle.
That's average.
Yeah, that's average. So future Kyle, go ahead and put the kilometers per hour there. And then here, the lakes, Lake Placid is right there. It's a small lake in that town back there. I think these are either part of it. It's like East Lake and West Lake. I'm not sure. Have not been to Lake Placid before, so I don't know much about it other than they had a couple Olympics there. So that town that you see there, that's Lake Placid, the town, and the lake there. So we actually do get a nice view of it from here. So I try to give you as much information as I can because, as you can see from the beginning of the hike, we can see the end of the hike. So I know the video is not going to be too terribly long. So I'll give you as much information as I can as we go up.
Not stroller.
Yeah, I was about to get to that.
Friendly.
This is definitely not stroller friendly whatsoever. And I would say for the most part, it's not even stair friendly. So if you're good at stairs, that doesn't necessarily mean that you're gonna be able to or want to necessarily
You good at bouldering.
climb this. Yeah, it's almost bouldering in a couple spots. Whew. And the hair is a little windblown today. Whew. Sorry for that. I need to get a hair and makeup person. Keep my hair down.
Or just a haircut.
Or just a haircut, I guess. I got it scheduled. Okay. So we're getting back to regular stairs here, which is good. So let's get back to our ascent and enjoying these. Man, look at those mountains out there. It's just crazy. Hopefully you're hearing me pretty good. I got a wind sock on this thing blocking the wind, but holy moly, it's windy here. Okay. Oh yeah, so again with the footing, if you're not like really good on your feet, the elevator is going to be perfect for you because this is not the easiest here. Okay. Thank you. Okay, as we get to the top of this mountain, or approach the top here, a couple of little small facts they had on the way up. The growing season for the plants up here is only 60 days. So it's only warm enough and sunny enough for about 60 days a year for these plants to actually grow. Interesting, which is interesting. They also said there's a landslide here because they got like 3 inches of rain in about an hour and a half here, and it caused a big landslide in the 70s. Whew. Wow. Here we go. Woo. Good job, buddy. Wow, look at that.
Yeah, he did a lot of work.
Yeah. Look at that. I mean, please keep off. You don't gotta tell me. I'm good right here. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Unbelievable. These sun rays coming through are really cool too. You can see them right here. All these rays of sun just creeping through the clouds. Wow, this is one of the coolest mountaintops I've ever been on, for sure. Been on much higher ones, but as far as just incredible view, yeah, they don't get too much better than this. Wow. Let's keep going. Let's see here. Land of Lakes. Wow. Right now it's not windy.
No.
Here it'll probably say if that's Lake Placid there.
Village of Lake Placid.
Okay, yeah.
This is Lake Placid.
Yeah. Okay, so here we got on the map, we have a map of all these mountaintops and stuff here. So we do have this lake here, this circle lake, that is Lake Placid. And the village is just right there at the tip there. Mount Whitney is right about there. Let's see, what else we got. Mount Marcy seems, I think that's the biggest, right? I've heard of that one. Yeah. Mount Marcy, which would be, I think, right about there somewhere. It's at 5344. Cool. What else we got? Oh, you can say Lake Champlain. So from over here, we should be able to see Lake Champlain and Burlington. So we're like a 2-hour drive from Burlington because that's where we're living right now. And apparently, if I look over here, I should be able to see it. Let's go see if we can see Lake Champlain. Okay. Lake Champlain.
Yeah. Whatever way.
Huh?
How about your windsock?
Oh. I think that's it there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think we can kind of barely see it. It's gonna be really tough for you guys, but right about here we can see just on the edge of there is a lake. That's Lake Champlain. And then just over top of it, I can see some like buildings and things like that, or something that looks like a town. That would be Burlington. Crazy. So when we're in Burlington, we can see across Lake Champlain. And you can see all sorts of awesome mountains, and now we're standing on them. So the mountains that you see across the way, this is what we're on right now. What do you think, buddy?
We think we need help down.
Yeah. Okay, let's do a little bit more out here. See if we can see out that way a little more. And head out. Okay.
I'll go that way,
This
but
way.
I just want you to front me.
Yeah. So I think that's gonna do it for our time up here on Whiteface Mountain. One of the best views from the top of the mountain I think we've ever experienced, for sure. Definitely high up on the list. Micah is screaming with joy how much he loves it. So we'll go ahead and we're going to start heading back to the main building here, and probably take the elevator down because of the rocks and stuff going down with him. It's going to be a little difficult and slow moving, so we're just going to expedite the process. Oh, and I didn't say what the elevation is, but you can see here on the sign up here, it is 4,867 feet, which is 1,486.5 meters tall here, the highest point. So we're gonna head and get on the elevator. So if you like the video, hit the like button now. Comment. If you have any comments, questions, if you've been here before, let us know what you thought. If you're the first one to make it to this part of the video and nobody else has commented, tell me you're the first one to get here. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Plenty more videos like this from all over the United States and Europe, and hopefully more places in the future. Until then, we'll see you in the next one.